Welcome to part 8 of the Mini Golf Marble Machine build. In this video, I'm going to pick out the green paint for the tracks and put on a few coats. But first, I need to finish prepping the surfaces, and that requires sanding, spackling, more sanding, and vacuuming. Then, I prime the surface with a coat of white paint. Next, I needed to pick the color of green paint to cover the tracks. To give an ideal surface to test on, I used the same wood that is on the machine and primed it with the same paint. I tested 8 different paints of various shades of green, labeled under a few different brands. The colors are Turf Green, Kelly Green, Holiday Green, Festive Green, Apple Green, Sour Apple, Apple Tart, and Lawn Party. One by one, I painted on a strip of each color to see how it looked on the board. I was going for a color that had a matte finish so there wouldn't be any sheen to the surface, and was an appealing color to draw in the eye. The color that fit the bill is the third from the right, labeled as Holiday Green. Since the surface of the machine was ready, I went ahead and started painting on the green. I applied it in very thin coats so as not to create any unwanted bumps. It'll take several coats to clean up the look, and here you'll see what it looks like after only 2 thin coats. I didn't worry about getting green paint on the barriers because they'll soon be painted as well. And that's it for this video. After the paint dried, I ran a test to make sure it still worked as designed. In the next video, I'll continue the painting and landscaping process.